What defines diurnal, semidiurnal, and mixed ocean tides? Imagine standing on a beach and watching the ocean rise and fall. Have you ever wondered why sometimes the water seems to come in twice a day and other times just once? The way tides behave depends on how the moon and sun pull on Earth's oceans. Let's explore what makes tides fall into these different types. First, some places experience what is called diurnal tides. That means they see only one high tide and one low tide each day. This pattern lasts about 24 hours and 50 minutes, which is a lunar day. Regions like the Gulf of Mexico and parts of Southeast Asia often have diurnal tides. For animals living in these areas, the longer time between high and low tide means they have more time to feed or breed when the tide is low or high. Next, we have semidiurnal tides. These are more common and happen twice a day. In this case, there are to high tides and to low tides within 24 hours and 50 minutes. The heights of these tides are usually very similar. Places like the east coast of North America and Australia see semidiurnal tides. For marine creatures, this regular pattern helps them plan their activities, like spawning or feeding, because the water levels change predictably. Then there are mixed tides, which are a bit more complicated. These also include to high tides and to low tides each day, but the heights are different. One high tide is higher than the other, and one low tide is lower than the other. This pattern is common along the Pacific coast of North America and parts of Southeast Asia. The varying heights make the environment more dynamic, so animals need to adapt to changing conditions, like exposure to air or risk of predators during low tides. All these tidal patterns influence how marine life behaves. For example, many fish and shellfish time their breeding to match specific tides to increase their chances of survival. Intertidal animals must withstand being out of water during low tides and submerged during high tides. The timing and height of tides shape the habitats and activities of countless sea creatures. In summary, diurnal tides have one high and one low tide each day. Semidiurnal tides feature to high and to low tides of nearly equal height. Mixed tides also have to highs and to lows, but with different heights. These patterns create different rhythms in the ocean, guiding the lives of marine animals and shaping coastal ecosystems.